In other news this morning, the Judge President of the High Court in the Western Cape is being accused of gross misconduct and acting in a manner unbecoming of a judge. He's also alleged to have assaulted a fellow judge. These allegations and more are contained in a complaint by his deputy lodged with the Judicial Service Commission. ENC's Aisha Ismail has more.
Judge President John Hlophe is no stranger to controversy. This time, his professional conduct is being called into question. It forms the basis of a 14-page sworn affidavit by the Deputy Judge President, Patricia Goliath. In it, Goliath says the complaint relates to gross misconduct on the part of the Judge President and his wife, Judge Hayat Sali Hlophe. She says their conduct compromises the proper functioning of the court and impacts severely on the court's dignity. Goliath says she's been stripped of her Deputy Judge President duties for months. They're being fulfilled by Hlophe, whom she says has warned her that she'll never become the Judge President. Goliath, in her affidavit, narrates a story of a man obsessed with power. She also says Hlophe's wife, working in the same division as her husband, is highly problematic as he gives her preferential treatment. She cites a case given to her by Hlophe, which in her view should have been given to a senior judge. Goliath says Sali Hlophe is actively involved in the running of the courts, allocating judges and, most disturbingly, the appointment of acting judges. Goliath says 2 cases were brought to her attention by the judges concerned, where the one was verbally abused by Hlophe, the other physically assaulted. She says the allegations involve sexual impropriety, and the 2 judges now, regrettably, have unresolved serious allegations against their name. Goliath ends her affidavit by saying that her complaint is not brought lightly. She says she's currently operating in an unsafe, unhealthy and oppressive environment. Lawyers acting for Hlophe and Sali Hlophe say their clients will show there is no merit in the complaint, which brings the administration of justice into serious disrepute.
This is the jurisdiction of the Judicial Service Commission to deal with and weigh, but from where we are, the complaints are baseless and have got no merits whatsoever until such time they're properly pleaded or properly provided to the Judicial Service Commission.
Goliath's complaint has been received by the Secretariat of the Judicial Service Commission. It will then be sent to the Judicial Conduct Committee for consideration and advice on how to proceed with the matter. Aisha Ismail, Cape Town.